Hey guys, this is Ken from Unparalleled Houston Homes, and today we are in Richmond, Texas again. We have a special community for you guys, so be sure to watch to the end of the video to get all the incentives, everything you need to know about this community, and much more. And if you guys like video like this where we travel to communities, give you guys the best discounts, the up-to-date information, market reports, and everything you guys need to know about the Houston area, be sure to hit the subscribe button. All right guys, let's go check out this first home now. Walk with me. Welcome home guys. This builder is called Taylor Morrison. Now Taylor Morrison has been building homes all around Houston for a long time now, and this home is really beautiful. As you guys make your way in, on the left hand side is just going to be office space that would typically be the garage area, and on the right hand side we're going to have 2 bedrooms with a bathroom wedged in between. The flooring for this home is going to be engineered hardwood, which is extremely durable. And on our left hand side, as we make our way into the living space, we have the office space. The living space hosts an open concept. We have the kitchen connecting with the living space and also the breakfast area as well. For countertop, we have marble countertops. For cabinets, it's 42 inches laminate cabinets. Finally will be the master bedroom with bathroom. Keep in mind that each home that you guys purchase in this neighborhood is going to have a back patio. So, what do you guys think? Do you guys like the home? Comment down below and let us know. This home is called the Juneberry. It's a 1-story, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1780 square feet, priced at approximately $375,000. On top of it, they're reducing $20,000 on the price. So you're really looking at $355,000. If you guys like this home, they currently don't have any more to sell because they sold out or they're currently reserved. But what we could do is jump onto the wait list. And if you guys need help with that, be sure to reach out. And if you guys are looking to purchase a different type of home in this neighborhood, for example, a 2-story, they have homes priced at $320,000, going all the way to $700,000. The tax rate here is absolutely crazy, so be sure to watch that. As for incentives, it's really enticing. It's 6% to your closing costs and your interest rate buy down. So after you pay off a little bit of your closing costs, you can buy down your interest rate down to 6%. As for taxes in this neighborhood, it's only 2.52%. HOA is $850 a year. The amenities covered by the HOA here is the resort style pool with spray park, perfect for kids, the playground, park, fitness center, walking and biking trails. Now for locations, we are conveniently located right next to the West Tollway, so you can easily access downtown, Chinatown, Katy Asian Town, Galveston, or anywhere you guys need to go. As for schools, we have Patterson Elementary School, Crockett Middle School, and George Bush High School. That's Grand Vista within Richmond, Texas. What do you guys think? So if you guys have any plans on buying, selling, or relocating to the area, you guys know who to call. Unparalleled Houston Homes, out.